Have you ever wondered how love can lead to tragedy? In ancient mythology, the tale of Polyxena unfolds like a dark tapestry. Daughter of King Priam of Troy, she was a figure of beauty and innocence amidst the chaos of war. As the Trojan War drew to a grim conclusion, Polyxena found herself at the center of a harrowing fate. The Greeks, victorious yet vengeful, sought to appease Achilles' ghost, who craved a blood sacrifice for his untimely demise. They demanded Polyxena, the last hope of Troy, to be offered at his tomb. Stricken with despair, she faced her destiny with a bravery that belied her youth. In her final moments, she revealed an unyielding spirit, refusing to let fear dictate her fate. As she walked toward her sacrificial doom, her heart was heavy with love for her homeland and the memories of a life interrupted. Even in her death, Polyxena's story resonates through the ages, highlighting the tragic intertwining of love, honor, and sacrifice. Her tale serves as a haunting reminder of the costs of war and the depths of human emotion. Polyxena's legacy lives on, echoing through time as a symbol of the tragic beauty of courage in the face of inevitable loss.